Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well-fruited, approximately half-acre lot with a spectacular view of the sea. The location of this property is in Beverley, St. Anne, and it comes with 5 bedroom and 4 bathroom. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs and 3 upstairs. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with a balcony to enjoy the cool sea breezes and to relax. There is a separate TV and living room upstairs, as well as an office. Laundry room and breakfast room are off the kitchen to the front and the back. A hot tub awaits as well as a swing with the freedom to pick coconuts, ackee, pear, and mangoes. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 490,000 or Jamaican $75.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.